Hello everyone, I'm Joe from CORE, and today we'll be discussing the versatility of CORE's Powerbase Edge platform that include the Powerbase Edge Lite and Link. These two battery packs can be incredibly helpful on set and should be a part of every production kit. The Powerbase Edge Lite is the lower end option. It is a 47 watt-hour flat battery pack that has 2 P-taps and 2 USB 2.0 outputs. The Lite can not only power your camera, but all your accessories too. The Powerbase Edge Link is our higher capacity option, being a 70 watt-hour standard V-mount pack with a unique linking feature. This allows you to link two together, turning your 70 watt-hour link into a 140 watt-hour pack, which doubles your runtime. Not only does it have 2 P-taps and a USB 2.0 output, this model is equipped with a USB-C PD port to power the newer cameras hitting the market and even some older ones. This would include the Canon R5C, the Sony FX3 and A7S III, the Panasonic GH6, and the Fujinon X-T4. With the Link being a V-mount, it can also power your smaller cinema cameras like a Sony FX9. If you link two together, it can also power your bigger cameras like a Sony Venice. Anything with a V-mount should be good to go. We have many how to power videos on our YouTube channel, but I wanted to emphasize how helpful these battery packs really are. They can power multiple DSLRs ranging from Canon, Sony, Blackmagic, Panasonic, and Fujinon. If you're operating with a smaller camera, no rig, and you don't need the extra capacity of the Link, the Powerbase Edge Lite is the perfect solution. The pack is incredibly affordable at $149 MSRP. It is also more compact and lighter, so it's perfect to mount on the bottom of your camera. This will give you those desired runtimes without worrying about exchanging those smaller batteries, giving you the freedom to concentrate on your project. While both Powerbases will provide you with longer runtimes, each one has its own way of communicating this information. With the Lite, you'll find 4 LEDs on the side of the pack that'll tell you runtime and charge time as well. The Link is equipped with an LCD display that'll show runtime, charge time, and other information pertaining to power. These both take into account the entire power draw, so you can be confident that the runtime will be correct no matter what you're powering. The other awesome thing to point out is if you're a Powerbase Edge legacy user, the Edge Lite and Link still have the 8-volt port, so all your legacy cables will plug right into these packs. Both the Lite and the Link can be a lifesaver if you just need to power something small that isn't even a camera. If a wireless receiver or a small monitor needs power unexpectedly on set, with the ability to mount these with a 1/4-20 screw or a V-mount with the Link, each one can save the day. If you plan on building a bigger rig and mounting the power base on the bottom, be sure to mount the pack parallel to the lens so that the plate can use all of its surface area when clicking into the base. Both power bases do have a threshold on how much weight they can support, so make sure to mount everything correctly and don't put too much weight on the pack. Remember, they can be mounted wherever a 1/4-20 hole is and there's room, so the bottom of the rig doesn't always have to be the initial method. So if you're in need of longer runtimes and options to power your accessories, the Powerbase Edge platform is the perfect solution for you. 90% of the time it'll be powering your camera and rig, but having one in your kit and being the hero on set is priceless. With the Powerbase Edge Lite and Link, CORE has you covered. For more information, go to CORESWX.com or watch our how to power videos for your specific camera on our YouTube channel, CORE SWX.